Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing how did Steve Travers survive in Wonder Woman 1984. The biggest shock is the confirmation that Steve Trevor has somehow survived being shot down by Dr. Poison's henchman at the climax of the first Wonder Woman movie, and even stranger the fact that he too apparently hasn't aged. It will likely have some friends breathing a sigh of relief, as many wondered if Patty Jenkins would follow in the footsteps of the classic Wonder Woman TV show, in which, alongside the time jump, Diana became involved with Steve Trevor's ancestors. It would have been a strange and bold move for the movie, but this choice makes far more sense, until you start to think about how he's still alive. Aphrodite resurrects Steve. Wonder Woman established the concept of the gods and goddess as real and key to the lore of Themyscira and the Amazons who lived there. If Aphrodite believed that Steve Trevor was key to the battles to come, there is a fair chance that she may have played a part in saving him, something that is immediately different from the comics here. However, is the fact that Steve is the same old blonde hunk that he was before, whereas in the classic DC source material, he comes back as the very difficult brown-haired hunk known as Steve Howard. Doppelganger Steve. If they didn't go with the admittedly high concept goddess route, then there is another unlikely route that would have been over-explained and could play into a big twist. During the 80s, comic book Steve was replaced by a doppelganger from an alternate universe. Even though this Steve wasn't the original man Diana fell for, the pair did embark on a long and boring romance. So this isn't super out of the realm of possibility. Maybe this Steve is from another space in the multiverse. We know that DC is leaning into the concept of heavily after fandom and all of their recent reveals, so it's not so crazy to imagine. But the big question would be, why is this Steve also from World War I, and is he aware of being a different Steve, or that he's in love with a different Diana at all? The movie doesn't draw from the comics. There is always the chance that the movie may make up its own way to explain his arrival. We note that DC and Marvel love to borrow from each other, so perhaps Steve got frozen in time like a certain other famous Steve. There is also the possibility that this isn't Steve at all and is some kind of evil scheme by Maxwell Lord to distract and destroy Diana. We know he can apparently make dreams come true, and what would Diana want more than the return of the man that she loves and misses so much? So what are your views about this? Do share in the comment section. Thank you so much.
You know what you need to do.